Hello students, this is a quick video clip to let you know what corrections you should make to your Monday Daily Oral Language Review. Number 1, we need to correct these sentences. Please tell me the answer to the riddle, begged Josie. Well, when I look at that, I can tell right away there are several mistakes, but one indication that shows me a piece of punctuation I need to add are the words begged Josie. Those words, beg Josie, indicates to me, the reader, this is a quote. So when I go to the beginning of my sentence, I know that I need to take my pen, bear with me. I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to put quotes around please. Please tell me the answer to the riddle. That ends, so I need a comma and then close quotes. But I also see there's quite a few bits of information that needs to be corrected as well. Please tell me the answer to the riddle. So I'm going to capitalize the P. Please tell me the answer. Answer is misspelled. A-N-S-W-E-R. Please tell me the answer to the riddle. Riddle is misspelled. R-I-D-D-L-E, comma, close quotes. Even though there is a request indicated in this sentence, it's not a question. It's actually an imperative sentence that ends. If it was a sentence ending, you would end it with a period. However, the sentence does not end, so we need to go ahead and place a comma there versus a period. Then we notice beg Josie. So in other words, she's urging, she's wanting us to know that she really wants this. This isn't just her desiring or yearning, she's begging. Okay, so begged will remain lowercase and it will stay B-E-G-G-E-D. And then we need to capitalize Josie. And then we need an end mark. And since it's ending with the speaker of the sentence, you're simply going to put a period at the end. Okay? Now let's progress to number 2. Will you help them guys paint their fence? Wow. We have some pronoun issues and we have some homophone issues with this sentence. When I look at the beginning of the sentence, obviously I need to capitalize the letter. Let's see if this word actually works. Will you help them? Yes, so I'm going to capitalize will. Will you help those guys? Will you help those guys paint wrong there? We need ownership, T-H-E-I-R, fence. Will you help those guys paint their fence? Question mark. And we know that anytime you're asking a question, that refers to the root word of an interrogative sentence, which is interrogate, and that means to question. So that is an interrogative statement. You need to go ahead and circle number 2. You will see that again. Number 3 and 4, we're just simply saying, are the commas used correctly in 3 and 4? August 31st, 1976. Yes. Because when you have a date, you separate the numbers, 31, the number of the day, with the number of the year, 1976. Number 4, Salina, Kansas, 76532. That is not a correct use of comma. We know that we separate a city and a state with a comma, so insert a comma there. But when it changes from words to numbers, we do not need at that point a comma. Salina, Kansas, 76532. Go ahead and circle 3 and 4. You will see comma uses on your DOL quiz at the end of the week. Number 5. Which part of speech is underlined? A noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb? So you're really going to have to do some thinking on this. You're going to have to think about what the word is doing in the sentence as far as what purpose is it serving in the sentence, then go back to your parts of speech word wall in the front of the room, or go back to your mental schema to try to identify this part of speech. We offer the largest selection of cool beverages, tasty meals, and luscious desserts in town. I know we is a noun, offer a verb, it's an action verb as well, so we know that's the simple subject and the simple predicate. Now in sentences, we know most of the time we have more than one noun. The simple subject is a noun, but the other nouns in the sentence serve as various types of objects. Then we also have adjectives that describe nouns and adverbs that describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. So let's look at the underlined word selection. What do I know? We offer the largest what? As a reader, and I'm trying to comprehend, basic comprehension, who, what, when, where, why, how, just basic. So we offer the largest selection answers the question what. A what would be a thing. I will tell you another clue. The suffix ion change the word select, which would be a verb at that point. You add the ion, turns the word select into selection, which is a noun. And in that case, the noun is serving as an object. You need to circle on Monday number 2, number 3, and number 4. Have a good evening.